Today I'm going to show you how to compress any image on Android, so let's get into it. To get started, what you have to do is you have to go to your apps library, and here in the apps library you have to click on the Play Store. Now here you have to search for the image compressor app, and once you search for it, here you have to click on this app. After that you have to install it. Its interface is pretty easy and simple, anyone can use it. But in case if you don't want to install the app, there is another way you can compress or resize your images, is that you have to go to your Chrome browser, and here you have to search for the image compressor, and once you hit on the search button, now what you have to do is you have to click on the very first link. Once you click on the link, now at this interface what you have to do is you have to select any desired image you want to compress. Here you have to click on the upload files option, and once you click on it, it will redirect you to your mobile gallery. Now from the gallery select your desired image. As you can see, I am selecting this image, and you can check the size of the image. It is showing 1.3 MB. Once you select your desired image, it will automatically start to upload on the website, and here it will also start the process of compressing the image. Now as you can see, it's showing me that my image has been compressed. Once your image has been compressed, now you have to click on the download all option. After that, this pop-up menu will appear, and you have to select on the download again option. Now your image will be downloaded, and once it has been downloaded, you have to click on the open button. After that, you have to hit on the extract button at the bottom right corner, and again click on the extract option. Once you click on it, your image will be extracted. And as you can see, my image has been compressed. So that's how you can resize your photos on Android.